Okay, so let us solve this first example of the work problems in algebra. So example number 1. So this is the problem statement. John can cut the grass in the lawn in 40 minutes, while Peter can do the same work in 60 minutes. How long will it take for them to cut the grass in the lawn together? Okay, so this is our solution. So our solution, we need to do it step by step for this problem so that you will be able to understand well. Okay, so step number 1. We need to assign. We need to assign variable or variables, or just simply variable. Okay, so we will let you can use any variable. You can use x, y, a, b, c, or whatever, but to be consistent with our formula. Okay, so we have 1 over t sub b equal to 1 over t sub 1 plus 1 over t sub 2. We know that t sub b is the time taken if both do the same or the work together. Okay, so we can use that variable also. Let t, so the b here, the subscript b means both. Okay, this is the time for both John and Peter. To cut the grass in the lawn together. Okay, then after that, step number 2, we need to use the formula. So the formula that we are going to use is the one that we have seen a while ago, this one. So that's our formula, but this time we need to substitute the given. Okay, so we have the formula. Just to remind you of the formula, our formula is 1 over t sub b equal to 1 over t sub 1 plus 1 over t sub 2. T sub 1, that is the time taken for John to complete cutting the grass in the lawn. T sub 2 is the time taken for Peter to completely cut the grass in the lawn. Okay, now T sub b is when they both work together to cut the grass. Alright, so substituting, so 1 over t sub b equal to 1 over, our t1 there is the 40 minutes, plus 1 over, our t sub 2 is the 60 minutes. So 1 over 60. Okay, that's our step number 2. Then step number 3, so step number 3, we need to solve the equation. Okay, solve the equation, because what you have seen in the above, the formula is an equation. Okay, so we're writing the equation 1 over t sub b equal to 1 over 40 plus 1 over 60. Okay, so there are two ways of doing this. Finding the LCM on both sides, or just the LCM at the right side, just to eliminate the fractions at the right side, because it's easier to solve the fraction, or sorry, it's easier to solve the equation when the equation is expressed in fraction to non-fractional form. Okay, so the LCM here, I will consider only the LCM on the right side, though you can do it together at the left side. So the LCM here, LCM means less common multiple. So the less common multiple of 40 and 60 is 120. Okay, so that's what I'm going to multiply both sides. of this equation. Okay, so I group this into one. This is another group. Then I multiply both sides by 120. This one 120. So 120 multiplied by 1 divided by TB is 120 divided by T sub B equal to 120. We will apply the distributive property of multiplication. So multiply 120 to each term on the right side. So 120 times 1 divided by 40 is equal to 3. Then plus 120 times 1 divided by 60 is equal to 2. Okay, combining the numbers on the right side, sorry, this is only 2. So this is 5. Okay, then to solve for the TB, so we just multiply both sides by TB, T sub B. So multiplying this by T sub B and also this one, T sub B. So on the left side, we have T sub B at the numerator cancels with the T sub B at the denominator. So on the left side, we have only 120. On the right side, we have 5 times T sub B equal to 5 times T sub B. So to solve for T sub B, we divide both sides by 5. So divide this by 5. So at the right side, we have numerator and denominator the same, 5. So cancels out. Then we have 120 divided by 5 is equal to 24. And we have on the other side T sub B. So this is the time spent by John and Peter to cut the grass in the lawn together. That is 24 minutes. So to answer that question, how long will it take for them to cut the grass in the lawn together? So you'll say therefore it will take for them 24 minutes to cut the grass in the lawn together. Okay, so this is our final answer. So the hint here that our answer is correct, the answer should be less than the lesser number of time spent by each individual in doing the job completely. Like for example, John finished it in 40 minutes. Peter finished it in 60 minutes. So the answer, when they do together or work together to complete the same job, it should be less than the lesser number. So in this case, the lesser number is 40. So our answer to be expected should be less than 40, which is in this case 24 minutes. And to make sure that our answer is correct, you can check. Know how to check. So just get this equation above. We have 1 over TB, T sub B, equal to 1 over 40 plus 1 over 60. Substituting T sub B, our T sub B is 24. Is it equal to 1 over 40 plus 1 over 60? So that's something to verify. Okay, so 1 over 24, is it equal to? Find the LCM here, which is 120. So 120 divided 40 is 3 times 1 plus 120 divided by 60 is 2 times 1. So 1 over 24, is it equal to 5 over 120? So 1 over 24. So this is divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 120 divided by 5 is 24. So you see, both sides are equal. So it means our answer is correct. Okay, so that's how to check our work if it's correct or not. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And see you in our next video.